Welcome you all to one more interesting session, and you are watching Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School's exclusive class for you. Children, I hope you all are settled with literacy book kit. Yes, from that take this, my first steps with Cambridge Upper KG Phonics Reader. Take your phonics reader. Yes, and come to page number 1. So children, I hope you have opened page number 1. Okay, see, if you will see here, if you will read this, CH, ch, SOUND, sound, ch sound. We have, if you remember, we have learned digraphs, blending words we have learned, right? From that, this CH, ch sound we are going to learn. I mean to say, we are going to read some sentences, but in those sentences there are some words which begins with the ch sound. Okay, so if you will see the heading, phonics reader, in phonics reader, page number 1, content number 1, Chan and Charlie. These are the name. Okay, these are the two names, which is, if you will see here, CH, ch and CH, ch. 2 times ch are there. So it means Chan and Charlie. In this paragraph, there are 2 characters. In first content, there are 2 characters, and the name of 2 characters are Chan and Charlie. ओके, कंटेंट नंबर 1, इसमें जो पैराग्राफ रीडिंग है ना, उस पैराग्राफ रीडिंग में 2 कैरेक्टर्स है, 2 फ्रेंड्स आर देयर. सो उनका नाम क्या है? एक का नाम है चैन और दूसरे का नाम है चार्ली. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू रीड सम वर्ड्स विच बिगिंस विथ च साउंड. हमने डायग्राफ में च साउंड सीखा है, राइट? इफ यू रिमेंबर, च साउंड हमने सीखा है, ब्लेंडिंग वर्ड्स हमने सीखे हैं. यस, so Chan and Charlie, these are the names of 2 characters. Those are, you can see here, this is Chan. Okay, this is Chan. He has a friend Charlie. Chan and Charlie sit on a bench. Okay, so children, in this picture, if you will see this, he is Chan. Okay, and this is Charlie. Okay, so see, CH, 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 one more time ch. Okay, this is Chan. ये जो बैठा है उसका नाम है Chan. He has a friend Charlie. Chan and Charlie sit on a bench. उसका जो फ्रेंड है, चैन का जो फ्रेंड है वो है चार्ली, उसका नाम है चार्ली. और वो लोग कहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं? बेंच के ऊपर बैठे हुए हैं. ओके, नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 2. Chan has 2 chalks. Children, see here. See, CH, chalks, again CH, Charlie, and CH, cherries. Ch, cherries, ch, Charlie, ch, chalks. Okay, and here Chan, Chan has 2 chalks. So if you will see in this picture, how many chalks Chan is having? Chalks कितने हैं Chan के पास? TWO 2. 2 chalks जो है वो Chan के पास है. Charlie has some cherries. और if you will see in another, Charlie's hand, what are these? These are the cherries. ये क्या है उसके हाथ में? Cherries है, कुछ cherries है उसके हाथ में. किसके हाथ में? Charlie के हाथ में. Chan has 2 chalks and Charlie has some cherries. Okay. Come to page number 3. Again, Chan and Charlie catch the school bus. Can you see this? This is a school bus. Can you see this? Who is this? This is a driver. So they are standing here to catch the bus. वो क्या कर रहे हैं? स्कूल बस का जो है वो वेट कर रहे हैं. Chan and Charlie catch the school bus. वो स्कूल बस का जो है वो वेट करते हुए खड़े हैं और उनको स्कूल बस जो है वो मिल गई है. ओके, नाउ we'll see what happened next. Come to page number 4. Yes, have you opened? Okay. Now see, this is a school bus. Yes, so Chan sits next to the Charlie in the bus. Chan जो है वो कहाँ पे बैठा है? चार्ली के साइड में बैठा है. Chan जो है वो चार्ली के Chan sits next to Charlie in the bus. वो Chan जो है चार्ली के साइड में बैठा हुआ है. कहाँ पे बैठा हुआ है? In the bus. Okay. Now come to page number 5. Chan eats the cherries. Can you see in this picture what he is doing? Chan is eating strawberries. Sorry, Chan is eating cherries. Yes, actually चेरी किसने लाए थे? चार्लीज ने लाए थे. चार्ली ने जो है वो चेरीज लाए थे ना. तो Chan eats the cherries. Chan ने क्या किया? इसने जो कुछ चेरीज लाए थे ना, उसने उसमें से कुछ चेरीज खा लिए. Charlie has fun with the chalks. और चार्ली जो है ना, Chan ने जो कुछ चॉक्स लाए थे उसके साथ वो खेल रहा है. Okay children, so this is the first content which we have completed over here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to read these sentences. Okay, so come to page number 1. Yes, have you opened this page? Okay, say ch, sound, sound, ch, sound. Now children, there is one change till previous session. माने in literacy subject and phonic skill book, whenever we are studying new content, that time we were reading along with the spelling. But now when we are reading this phonics reader, directly we are going to read the sentences. We are not going to read the letters. Okay children, now repeat after teacher. Chan and Charlie. Listen it very carefully, pronounce it, sound it very carefully and loudly. Okay? Chan and Charlie. This is Chan. This is Chan. He has a friend Charlie. He has a friend Charlie. Chan and Charlie sit on a bench. Chan and Charlie sit on a bench. Yes, come to page number 2. Chan has 2 chalks. Chan has 2 chalks. Charlie has some cherries. Charlie has some cherries. Chan has 2 chalks. Charlie has some cherries. Yes. Next page. Chan and Charlie catch the school bus. Chan and Charlie catch the school bus. Next page. Chan sits next to Charlie in the bus. Chan sits next to Charlie in the bus. Next page. Chan eats the cherries. Charlie has fun with the chalks. Chan eats the cherries. Charlie has fun with the chalks. Okay children, till here have you completed? I hope you have understood. Okay, now come to page number 6. Okay, come to page number 6. Have you opened this page, all of you? Okay, now everyone sharp your pencil. We are going to underline some words. माने आप जब रीडिंग के लिए बैठ जाओगे ना, आपको इजी हो जाएगा. ओके, now here we are going to read, we are going to learn some words which begins with sh sound. SH, sh sound. Okay, see, content number 2, phonics reader. In phonics reader, content number 2, a shiny sheep for Sherry. Okay, Shane and Sherry are friends. Children, see in this picture, 2 characters are there. Okay, in this content, 2 characters are there. So, these are the friends. These 2 are the friends. So, Shane and Sherry are friends. The name of this boy is Shane and the name of this girl is Sherry. A shiny sheep for Sherry. Okay, जो एक shiny sheep है जो कि Sherry के लिए है, यह है content का name. And Shane and Sherry जो है ये friends है. Okay, come to next page. Page number 7. Shane has some cash. If you will see in his hand, if you will see here, cash is there in his hand. Okay, तो शेन के हाथ में क्या है? शेन के हाथ में क्या है? कैश है. ये जो बॉय है इसका नाम है शेन and the name of this girl is Sherry. So Shane has some cash. Come to page number 8. Yes, next. Shane goes to the shop. A shiny sheep for Sherry. Shane goes to shop. A shiny sheep for Sherry. Okay. Sherry said, sheep, sh. ऐसे बोलती है वो, मतलब वो थोड़ी सी ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं, डरावना नहीं बोल सकते हैं, but she is excited also and she is a bit scared also because they went one shop and can you see this sheep? Shane goes to shop a shiny sheep for Sherry. वो शॉप में क्यों जाता है? Because he want to give the shiny sheep to the Sherry. But Sherry said, Sherry ने क्या बोला? Sheep, sh. ऐसे क्यों बोला? हम लोग देखते हैं. Come to page number 9. She is happy but she is a bit scared. Why? Because see, Shane asked why. Shane ने बोला, आप तूने ऐसे क्यों बोला? आपने ऐसे क्यों बोला? शेरी ने ऐसे क्यों बोला? Sheep, sh. Why you have reacted like this? Why you have reacted? Why you said like this? ऐसे किसने पूछा? Shane ने शेरी को पूछा. Sherry said, the ship can sink. शेरी ने बोला, ये जो शिप है वो डूब भी सकती है ना, ऐसे उसने बोला. Sherry said, the ship can sink. जो शिप है वो डूब जाएगी ना पानी में, ऐसे उसने बोला. Then Shane said, we will keep the sheep on the shelf. It will not sink. ये जो sheep है ना, हम लोग शेल्फ में रखेंगे. कहाँ रखेंगे? शेल्फ में रखेंगे. जो हम लोग अच्छे टॉयज रखते हैं ना शेल्फ में इन लिविंग रूम, सो वो बोल रहा है कि हमारे पास जो शेल्फ है ना, हम लोग ये जो शिप है वहाँ पे रख देंगे, तो शिप जो है वो डूबेगी नहीं पानी में. ओके, सो शेन सेड वी विल कीप द शिप on the shelf. It will not sink. हम लोग ये जो शिप है उसको शेल्फ में रख देंगे ताकि जो शिप है वो डूबेगी नहीं. ओके, नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट पेज. देन शेन सेड, शैल आई? उसने फिर पूछा शेरी को, मैं रखूं? उसने परमिशन ली ना उसके फ्रेंड की कि मैं रखूं वहां पे. कहां पर? शेल्फ में. शेरी सेड चीयर्स, तो वो हैप्पी होके उसने बोला यस. ओके, बिकॉज शी वॉज हैप्पी. वाई शी वॉज हैप्पी? कि उसके पास शिप भी है, अच्छी शाइनी शिप है और वो डूबेगी क्या? नहीं. कहाँ पे रहेगी वो? हमेशा उस शेल्फ में रहेगी. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो हियर वी हैव कंप्लीटेड कंटेंट नंबर 2. ओके, नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 6. Okay, what we are going to do now? We are going to read the sentences. Okay, so say sh, 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 sh sound. Content number 2, a shiny shape for Sherry. A shiny shape for Sherry. Okay, Shane and Sherry are friends. Now what we are going to do? We are going to underline. Okay, तो आप जब रीडिंग के लिए बैठ जाओगे ना आपको इजी हो जाएगा. Shane and Sherry are friends. Shane and Sherry are friends. Next page. Shane has some cash. Small sentence is there, so you have to say full. Shane has some cash. Shane has some cash. Next page. Yes, I hope you have opened everyone. Shane goes to shop. Shane goes to shop. A shiny sheep for Sherry. Shane goes to shop. A shiny sheep for Sherry. आपको कैसे रीड करना है? हमने जैसे अंडरलाइन किया है वैसे ही. Shane goes to shop. A shiny shop for Sherry. Okay, next sentence. Sherry said ship. Ship. Next page. Shane asked why. Shane asked why. Sherry said, come on, I can't hear your voice. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Say it loudly. Sherry said, the ship can sink. The ship can sink. Sherry said, the ship can sink. Sink माने डूब जाना. Come to next page 1010. Shane said, we will keep the sheep. We will keep the sheep. We will keep the sheep on the shelf. On the shelf. It will not sink. It will not sink. Last page. Then Shane said, shall I? Then Shane said, shall I? Sherry said, cheers. Sherry said, cheers. Okay, children? So children, I hope till here you understood. So children, today we have read some words, we have read some paragraphs which is from My First Steps with Cambridge Upper KG Phonics Reader. From that, content number 1, ch sound, Chan and Charlie. Content number 2, which is sh sound, a shiny ship for Sherry. These two content we have learned today. Yes, so children, I hope you understand these two content. There are some more content which we are going to learn to the next session. Okay, so we are concluding over here. You take care. Thank you.